And now we have the question which says, if we have a equal root 3 and b equal root 2, then find the value of a power 4 negative b power 4. Yes, you're excellent students. It's a difference between two squares. Yes, you can factorize it as a difference between two squares. We can open two brackets, one of them is minus and the other is plus. And we can put the first term, which is equal a power 2, and the second term will be equal b power 2. Yes, and a power 2, b power 2. And now a power 2, which is equal root 3 all power 2 minus b power 2, which is equal root 2 all power 2, and that's the first bracket, and the second bracket will be root 3 all power 2 plus root 2 all power 2, and this is the second bracket. We can find its value by cancelling the square root by the power 2. The square root can be cancelled by power 2 in all brackets, and the final result will be 3 minus 2 in the first bracket, and in the second bracket 3 plus 2. So 3 minus 2 will be equal 1, and 3 plus 2 will be equal 5, so it's equal 1 by 5, which is equal 5 in the final result. And the number 2, a power 4 divided b power 4 can be written as a power 2 divided b power 2 all power 2. So 2 by 2, which is equal 4, and 2 by 2, which is equal 4. And that's equal a power 2, which is equal root 3 all power 2 divided b power 2, which is equal root 2 all power 2, and all of them raised to the power 2. Yes, we can cancel the square root by the power 2, and the final result will be 3 over 2 all power 2. Yes, that's very good. We can find its value by squaring 3 and 2, which is equal 9 over 4, and this is the final value of this question. So now we have the following question. If we have root 3 all divided 2, which raised to the power x equal 4 over 9, then find the value of 3 over 2 raised to the power x plus 1. How can you find the value of 3 over 2 raised to the power x plus 1? Yes, we can make rid of the root 2 or the square root of 3 over 2. How can you make rid of the square root? Yes, I'm hearing someone saying by squaring the two sides, because the square root can be cancelled with the power 2. So let's say by squaring the two sides, So how do you get if you square the two sides? We can say root 3 over 2 all power x all power 2 equal 4 over 9 all power 2. And now we can write it as root 3 all divided 2 all power 2 all power x, because the final result will be power 2x. So it can be written as x inside the bracket and 2 outside the brackets, or 2 inside the brackets and x outside the brackets, which is equal. We can write 4 over 9 as 3 or 2 over 3 all power 2 all power 2. Again, we can write 4 over 9 as 2 over 3 all power 2 all power 2. So 2 by 2, which is equal 4. Yes. So the result will be 2 will be cancelled with the square root, and the final result will be 3 over 2 all power x, and the final result here will be 2 over 3 all power 4. And now we have the base in the left hand side, which is equal 3 over 2, and the base in the right hand side, which is equal to 2 over 3, but they are different. How can we make them the same? By, yes, changing the numerator and denominator. But if you change the numerator and denominator, your power will be negative. Yes, so will be written as 2 over its power x, 2 over 3, and the power will be negative x. 2 over 3 and the power will be negative x, which is equal 2 over 3 all raised to the power 4. So if the base is equal the base, so the power will be equal the power. So negative x will be equal 4. So x will be negative 4. This is the value of x. This is the value of x. Then the value, he wants to write the value of 3 over 2 all power x plus 1. So it can be written as 3 over 2 all power negative 4 plus 1. Negative 4 plus 1 equals negative 3. Yes, which is equal 3 over 2 all power negative 3. And it can be written as 2 over 3. Yes, all power positive 3. Positive 3, why? Because we changed the numerator and denominator. We made the multiplicative inverse of 3 over 2, which is equal to 2 over 3, and the power will be positive. So 2 power 3 will be equal 8, and 3 power 3 will be equal 27, and this is the value of this question. Yes, I'm hearing someone saying, how can you change the negative sign and the positive sign in the power? Um, in brief, you can say that if we have 2 power 3, it can be written as 1 over 2 power negative 3. If you want to change it to positive, you can say that 2 power 3 positive 3 over 1. Yes, you can make the inverse, the multiplicative inverse of any number. So if we want to change the base, we can find the multiplicative inverse of 3 over 2 to become, or 3 over 2 to become the same as 2 over 3. So you can change the sign of the power from positive to negative. Because of what? Because you changed the denominator and denominator, so you found the multiplicative inverse of the base.